One of which, I mean, was the middle school musical Anything Goes.
That's right.
Not a ton of immersive stuff, but it was still a really, really cool way that you guys set the black box up.
It was a very cool set. You know, you walk in and it's like you're just looking at a ship.
Yeah.
You know? It was cool, and there were like light bulbs that we 3D printed with the bamboos and the
was really cool. The lights that you guys 3D printed and then put little diodes inside of them.
Yep.
And then had them all set up. Were they set up on the lighting board?
They were, yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
and they were,
you
know, based on the scene or whatever, it was music. It would, you know, like the light would go around, or like they would alternate or something.
Yeah, that was
very
really cool. Yeah.
Something I forgot to mention with Macbeth though, with the immersiveness, is there were audience blinders.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We
cool.
used some of the lights that were pointed like at the audience.
Yeah.
Obviously, you and I are not lighting guys. I don't know what the lights are called.
We're really not lighting guys. His brother's a big lighting guy. Neither of us are big lighting guys. We just kind of saw what happened, and then we kind of know a little bit about it. We're gonna get a ton of comments about how awful we know our stuff, but it's fine. It's okay.
I mean, Adam's gonna watch this through, and he's gonna know. He's like, what are you guys talking about? He's gonna be like, no,
that is not what the lighting thing is. That is not what that's called.
Exactly.
He's not gonna be like that. Hi, Adam. I'm sure you're watching this at some point. But you know, we do our best. Basically, we're mostly sound and video guys. Which is why this works so perfectly.
Exactly. Yeah. There's no lighting.
There's no lighting. Actually, we do have some lights.
We have the ring lights.
Take a look at the Instagram at Chaney's Tech Talk. You can take a look at a setup tour from when we recorded episode 12, which, you know, spoiler alert, we actually just did that like 10 minutes ago, but it's fine. Don't worry about it. But it gives you an idea.
Speaking of immersion, we just ruined your immersion.
No.
You guys think we get together every Friday and just record an episode? It's not even a Friday. It's a Wednesday.
It's not even a Friday. It is a Wednesday. Actually, the Friday that you guys hear/see this episode, I'm going to be in Texas. So that's going to be, I'm not even going to be in this state. So there you go. That's something to keep in mind. So we're just rapid firing these, but you guys get to see them week by week. And that's pretty cool.
Exactly.
That's pretty cool. So not half bad, but Anything Goes was really, really cool.
It was. I really liked it. I really liked the set. We use a lot of that set in Bright Star. We'll talk about that in the next episode. But yeah,
Anything Goes. You guys did some fun stuff. Great set. Good music. I love that music.
It's very, very good musical. I was very impressed with it.
I've known Anything Goes for a long, long time.
Were you in it?
No, I wasn't in it, but I have family members that were in it. And I was very much deeply involved in a production of Anything Goes about 10 years ago at this point. It was like 2017, so it was a little under 10 years ago. No, I wasn't in it. I was not in it, which I regret, but then at the same time, I don't know what I would have been if I was in it. It was like a community theater production. It wasn't like a kids production. So like my dad and sister were in it. It wasn't like kids being rolled. Was your dad
the father? What's his name?
No, he wasn't the father. He was Sir Evelyn.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It was all right. It was good. It was fun. I don't think we've actually watched that entire recording with him in the room to this day. He gets a little self-conscious, but we love him for it. It's hilarious.
Yeah.
It's a really good It's a really good show though. It's so fun. As a jazz musician, a lot of those like Cole Porter tunes and stuff like that, you know, some of them are just jazz standards, which is super, super fun. Yeah. So, side quest, I'm actually a jazz saxophonist in case you didn't know that. Yeah. So Zach plays trombone. So
exactly.
You know, this is a tech podcast, but we do have some other creative outlets, to say the least.